Hello everyone, I will make a tutorial about installation of JavaFX, which is a layer on Java that make it possible to make GUI for Java application. So I will show you how we can install it on Eclipse. So let's start by making a project. Java project, next, and name it application FX JDK. Oh yes, use default JDK 12. Finish. Let's name it application with lowercase a. Okay. Now let's add this to the current tutorial effects. Let's edit active working set and add the application effects. Finish. Now we have a small application effects folder project. And let's just make hello world in this one. Effects tutorial that application with a main just for testing. So sys out and hello world fx and just run it, and it's working fine. So now let's try to install JavaFX. You go to Google and you type down JavaFX open, and you go to the first website, open JavaFX. You go to download. It will send you on this website, and just go to latest release. You should choose JavaFX Windows SDK. Download and register. I already unzip it, and you have this JavaFX SDK 12. You copy this, you go to local C program x86, and you go to Java and you paste it here. Continue. Now you have it here. Okay. Now let's go back to Eclipse. Now in Eclipse you have to click property. You go to Java build paths module and you click on add library. Use a library. Next. I already have this one, but I will show you how to make it. So you go to user libraries, you make it new, you give it the name you want. So JavaFX2, you can name it 1 or JavaFX only. You click OK, and you click on add external jar. So you go to the same place we were, 12 lib, and you select all this and OK, open. Now apply and close. Finish. Apply and close. Now it's added the library here. Now we have to add some code, some JavaFX code. So let's go to Google and type JavaFX hello world. So getting started with JavaFX. I think it's this one, create hello world. You click on it. So you can grab this code, just paste it here. Yeah, just to change a few things. So this one we don't need, and you take this and you paste it here, and you can delete this one. So as you can see, it's still red, it's not working. If we try to start, it will not work. Yes, it didn't work. So you have to go to module info. You have to add few lines. So module, you copy this one, require JavaFX that's if XML and all that's for, and just here you name it tutorial that application and you save. Tutorial application is just the package name in which the main hello world fx is. Now you can go to here and click on run hello world fx. And it is working. Just you're gonna click on the button, and as you can see, it's hello world is displayed in the console, because here system outputs println hello world. You can change it to hello world fx because it's named hello world fx. Close that and run. As you can see, let's just change this and as you can see, it's changed. So this was it for my first tutorial on JavaFX and how to install it. So I hope you enjoyed it and have a nice day.